Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we have seen Ohm's law, we have also seen Kirchhoff's current law, we have also seen Kirchhoff's voltage law, we have also seen the source transformation, that is current source transforming into voltage source and voltage source transforming into current source, and depending on those laws we are going to study analysis. We are analyzing this circuit. So in this first example, this is the first example that we are going to study. In the first example, we will see the voltage across, we will calculate the voltage across A into B. Now if you see this carefully, this circuit is oppositely connected. So I will just rotate the circuit. So the circuit will be like this. So this circuit remains as it is, that is 6 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 volt, polarity from positive to negative, and now this is 12 volt. So this is positive to negative 12 volt. Now I am opposing this circuit. So 12 volt will be as it is. So this is again a 12 volt. 4 ohm is like this, and 10 ohm is like this. Now we will see the current flowing through this circuit is given by in this direction, and for this case in this direction, and depending on that we will see what can be done. So we have to again calculate the voltage across this A to this B. So this A 4 ohm, 12 volt, and this 4 ohm, so this is your B. Now as I have to calculate voltage across this 4 ohm, since voltage across 4 ohm is given by now if you can see that two resistors are connected in series. To this series circuit, a 6 volt series voltage source is connected. So in that case I will apply voltage division formula. Voltage division formula tells me that resistor, that is 4 ohm resistor, upon addition of 2, that is 4 plus 6 into total voltage flowing through that circuit is 6 volt. So the value of this circuit is coming 4 upon 10 into 6 4s are 24 divided by 10. So this is coming 2.4 volt. So this is coming 2.4 volt. Now I want to calculate this voltage across this 4 ohm. I want to calculate voltage across this 4 ohm. I consider this as a VA because A is there. I consider this as a VB because B is there. Now again this resistor and this resistor are connected in series. So and to this series connection there is a voltage source connected there. So I will again apply voltage division formula. So again it is given by 4 upon that resistor upon addition of 2, that is 4 plus 10 into total voltage is 12 volt. So 12 4s are 48 divided by 14. So the value of this is coming 3.4. So if I reduce this circuit, the circuit will be A is there, and the voltage across this VA is calculated as voltage across this VA because this is the negative polarity, positive polarity. So negative to positive voltage is coming. So this is 2.4 volt, that is coming minus. This 12 volt is as it is. So this is positive to negative 12 volt. As this is positive to negative, this will come plus 12 volt, and again the last is 3.4 volt. So this is positive to negative. So the voltage calculated is 3.4 volt, and here it will come B. So voltage across VA to B is given by minus 2.4 volt plus 12 volt plus 3.4 volt is coming, and the final value is coming 13 point VAB is coming 13.04 volt. So this is your final answer, that is coming VAB is 13.04. So what we have done here, the circuit is given. This circuit only its connection is reversed, rest of the things are same. We applied the voltage division formula for this case. I am getting 2.4 volt. I am applying voltage division formula for this case. I am getting 3.4 volt. The circuit is reduced between VA to B. So as it is flowing from negative to positive, this is coming minus 2.4. This is positive to negative. This is plus 12 volt. This is again positive to negative. This is 3.4 volt. So finally VAB is coming 13.04. Okay. Now in the same case, we'll see now we have to calculate voltage across Vs. We have to calculate the voltage Vs. So voltage flowing through this Vs. Now as this Vs is open circuited, I can consider this Vs is like this. So it is not connected for this case. If you see that 2 ohm and 5 ohm and 2 ohm are coming in series, so circuit is reduced to 2 ohm, 4 ampere, 10 ohm, and this is coming 7. So the circuit will be reduced like this. Now I want to calculate the current flowing through this 2 ohm, as this 5 ohm and 2 ohm are coming in series. So current flowing through this 2 ohm is nothing but current flowing through this 7 ohm, because they are connected in series. So current flowing through this 7 ohm, which is nothing but current flowing through 2 ohm, is given by 2 resistors are now connected in parallel, and this 4 ampere current is current source is again a parallel. So I will apply now current division formula. Current division formula is given by opposite resistor, that is 10, upon addition of 2, that is 17, into total current is 4 ampere. So this is coming 40 upon 17. So 40 upon 17 is coming 17 twos are, I think it is coming 2.34 ampere. Now I need to find voltage Vs now. Now I need to find voltage Vs. Voltage Vs is given by Vs is equal to V is equal to I into R, that is I 2 ohm into I 2 ohm into R. I 2 ohm is given by, we have just calculated, 2.34 into resistor. Value of resistor is 2. So this is coming. So voltage Vs is coming 34. So this is coming 4.68 voltage. So Vs is coming 4.68 voltage. What we have done here, exactly opposite case here. 2 resistors are in parallel. We need to find current flowing through the 7 ohm. We applied current division formula. So opposite resistor, that is 10, upon addition of 2, that is 17, into total current is 4 ampere. From this we calculate 2.34. This is I 7 ohm, which is nothing but I 2 ohm. We have to calculate Vs. Which is nothing but I 2 ohm. I 2 ohm is given by I 2 ohm into R. 2.34 into 2. So this is coming 4.60. I hope that you understood this, and thank you so much.